Friend, what's up? How are you? I'm thinking you are enjoying a lot in all the video series of the signal system. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the various operations, various problems related to the time shifting, time steering, time reversing, as well as amplitude steering. Okay. Now see here. Now in this we have already gone through the various problems related to the continuous time scale. Now we have to take the discrete. Now let us see one example. If f of f, let's see the example. So guys, this question is given xn equals to 6 minus n into u n minus 6. Shifting, this is the unit step function. Here is shifting by 6 unit positive in the right hand side. Okay, so this question, and here 6 minus n. So we have to find basically nothing but some problem based on the question, that is the x of n minus n plus 3 x of n 6 minus n, second one, and third we have to find x of 3n minus 1, and fourth question we have to find x of n by 2, and the fifth question related to the sub question of this is x of n minus 1 into delta of n minus 4. So this is a question we have to find the answer. So here it's given for this question the limit is, we have to find the limits. Okay. Now see, it's very interesting question. Interesting. Sometimes it's very interesting. Sometimes questions are very interesting. Sometimes questions are lengthy. Sometimes questions are easy. Actually, there is some clue point. When you want to read several times, you will get a clue. So this is the question. But for solving, so what is un? Un basically nothing but at 0, it's 1, x1 also 1, x2 also 2, 1, x3 also, and so on. That is the unit step function. The value of this one is same for unit step sequence for discrete. Okay, discrete time. Now we will solve one by one individually. See here, un minus u of n minus 6. So first of all, this we have to derive by the equations. So this is basically un minus u of n minus 6. What it means? N equals to 6. That means positive. That is positive. Okay. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means here nothing is there. N minus 6, it is shifted by 6 unit. 6 unit means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. From here it is continuing. Okay. And this is our. So when we got the subtract of this unit step to the from unit step to the shift version of 6, we'll get, अगर ये यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन है 0 से और ये है शिफ्टेड 6 से, तो ये माइनस करेंगे तो 6 से जितना सारे होंगे सारे ड्राइव हट जाएंगे, एंड फाइनली वी गेट द व्हाट फ्रॉम 1 to 5. One, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally this is the 5. So it's nothing but okay. 4, 5, okay, and from there nothing is there, and so on. Okay, that is what? That is u of n minus u of n minus 6. Okay, now this is this thing. Okay, now we have to find this is one. Now 6 minus n. So 6 minus n means what? Of course x of to the power n xn plus to 6 minus n for into 1n. Okay, and the limit for this one is up to from 0 to okay, and the answer will be what? It is something like this: 6 minus 5. That means starting from the 0. So 6 minus 0 is like here. 6 minus 0 into 1 equals to 6. 6 minus 1 into 1 equals to 5. 6 minus 2 into 1 equals to 4. 6 minus 3 into 1 equals to 3. 6 minus 4 into 1 equals to 2. 6 minus 5 into 1 equals to 1. 6 minus 6 is to 1 equals to 0. So at 6, here the value is nothing but 6 minus n into 1, okay, equals to whatever it is, 6 into, okay, now this is the problem. So we'll get at here at 0. Okay, this is the problem. At 0 we will get 6. At 5 we get at 0 1 2 3 4, okay. 5 and 6 is what we get. At 0 the amplitude is 6, at 1 amplitude is 5, at 2 amplitude is 4, at 3 amplitude is 3, at 4 its amplitude is 2, at 5 its amplitude is 1, and at 6 it's 0, okay. So this is the here it is actually n, okay. So this is basically the question. This is the actually this one. This is graph for which one? This is graph for 6 minus n into u of n minus u of n minus 6. Okay, first of all we find this one, then finally we just put the value of n from 0 to infinite. We get the value of this one. This is variable. Okay. Now first question. Here first question is this one, x n plus 3. That means shift, that is minus 3 0, okay. So I will take here, my shifting is what? Negative, so it's left side. Okay, shifting in the left side directions, 3 units, 3 minus 3 units, okay. 3 units, shift left side of signal by 3 units, that means this side, okay. That means 0, that means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that means minus, okay, minus 4, minus 2, minus 3. Now it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3 means 1 unit, 2 units, 3. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. This is our answer for this question. Okay. Now it is 6, it is 5, it is 4, amplitude is 3, 2, 1. Okay. And here particularly nothing is there, it is 0. Okay. So this is our answer. Now for second question, it is x of 6 minus n, okay. We can write it as x of, take negative common, n minus n minus 6 minus n plus 6. So this is called reversal and this is shifting. Okay, first do reverse of this signal. The reverse of this signal is, first do reversal of this signal. Reversal of this signal is from 0 will be no change because it is a 0, is 6 to minus 1, 5, it is 4, it is 3, minus 2, minus 3, it is 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and it is 1, minus 5. This is reversal of signal, nothing but x of minus n, okay. Now shifting. Now we'll do shifting. Second step, it's the first step in which do reversal. Okay, time reversal. This is time reversal and this is shifting. Now shifting by n equals to 6, that is positive shift in right directions by 6 unit. Okay, 6 unit in the right directions. So from here it is 0 to 0 will becomes to 0 to 1, and again 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. That means 1 unit shift, 2 unit shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 6 unit shift. Hey guys, what's up? See? Okay, now this is shift by 6 units. So 0 goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes to 6. 6. It's again 5. It's again 4. It's again 3. It's again 2. It's again 1. Okay, how much it is? 1, 2. So this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's basically the answer. So firstly we have performed here the reversal, and then shifting we have performed. Okay, in this question we can also solve this question by another method, alternatives. Questions method 2 for question number 2. What it is that x to the power n, xn is valid for 0 to n 5. 0 to 5 it's valid now here. Okay, it's valid for 0 to 5, no problem. Now x 6 minus n will be valid for how much? For 0 less than equals to 6 minus n less than equals to 5. Now on solving, what we will get? We will transfer this one. It's from minus 6 less than equals to minus n 5. Okay, for this one also, this 6 will be first of all solve this one, and again this one also. So 5 minus 6. This is actually minus 6, no problem. So minus 6 is less than or equals to minus n, less than or equals to minus 1. Okay. Okay. If we remove this negative, we have to reverse this symbol as 6 greater than or equals to, this become positive, and again then for this scenario also. Okay, if we reverse this signal, that means from 1 to 6 its value is n. Okay, we can also write here it as 1 is 6. That the value of n is from 1 to 6. Okay, that means it's just a word graph. See this question. From this, what we have concluded, that with the range of original is 0 to 5. Okay, but this original, but the range of original is 0 to 5, but this range is from 1 to 6. Okay, this will be from 1 to 6 only. So 1 to 6, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this algebraic expression method, or by shifting and reversal, we can also solve this problem. Okay. Now here we will get when n equals to 1. N equals to 1. When n equals to 1, at x will be 1. Okay. No problem. For n equals to 2, x is what? X is 4. So n equals to 1 लेंगे, वैल्यू हमारा x 0.5 आ जाएगा हमारा. x5 कहाँ पे है? 5 की वैल्यू, 2 पे है, 4 की वैल्यू. तो इस तरह हम सॉल्व करेंगे. अच्छा, एक और मतलब मेथड्स है. देयर इज वन मोर मेथड्स टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. बट यू नो वन थिंग, दैट we can solve this by only one method, that is better. This method is sufficient in which we are doing first reversal and then scaling. Okay, we don't have to do some other thing. Okay, now let's see some other example. Sorry, so this question is over, this one is over. Now this x of 3n minus 1 will do this question. That means now the question is this one, this is over. Now we will do this question, 3n minus 1. You solve this question. इफ मैं बताना भूल गया कि डिस्क्रीट के लिए अगर शिफ्टिंग और स्केलिंग आता है तो ऑलवेज डू शिफ्टिंग फर्स्ट, ऑलवेज डू शिफ्टिंग फर्स्ट फॉर डिस्क्रीट. ओके, कंटिन्यूस में कंटिन्यूस सिग्नल है अगर कोई, इफ देयर इज कंटिन्यूस सिग्नल फॉर विच वी कैन डू शिफ्टिंग एंड देन स्केलिंग. ओके, कंटिन्यूस के लिए हम शिफ्टिंग स्केलिंग चेस्करिंग शिफ्टिंग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब डिस्क्रीट रहती है देन देयर डिस्क्रीट ओनली डू फर्स्ट ऑलवेज डू शिफ्टिंग एंड देन स्केलिंग. Always apply these rules, SH and SC rules to find out the value. So the next question is 3n x into 3n plus 1. So here it is actually scaling by 3. Okay, now see next. Now see this question. Here it is x of 3n plus 1. Can we do this thing like this? Take common. Let's see what will happen. N plus 1 by 3. I think this is discrete, so this is not possible because n equals to minus 1 by 3. So never do this one. This is not possible for discrete. It's not possible. There must be the integer value. So in discrete, always do shifting first and then scaling. This is okay. Now solve these questions. Now it is x of 3n plus 1 and we know that from the original equation that xn is valid for from how much? From 0 to 5. No, this is the given. Okay, 3n plus 1 questions, and this will be valid for 0, 3n plus 1 less than plus 1. Okay, that means minus 1, 3n, 4. Okay, no problem. Okay, that means for removing this one, that means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. Okay, that means minus 1 by 3 and 4 by 3 and minus 0.33, and here what will be your approx 1 point, how much it is? 1 point something, 1.3. Okay, now 1.33 it is. So if we take the integer, it is between 0 to 1. Okay, so between 0 to 0 and 1 only this is valid. Okay, at n equals to 0, n equals to 1 we get x x1 we get. Okay, now x or 3 into 0 plus 1, that is nothing but x. And for x n equals to 1 we get this 0 and this 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, that is x2. Okay, that means as x1 and x2. Okay, we are getting the value of x. That means only at x4 and x and n equals to 0 we will get the value as x1, and x1 is what? From the previous what we have computed. The given question is what? This question is given as, they are solving this from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, like this. So at 0 and at 4 So it is nothing but like this 6, and at 4 it is 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, no problem. Okay. So I would just like to add one thing that, so it is actually 3n plus 1. That's okay. This is the answer of this question. This type of question, we just put this question and the limit only will get the answer. Okay, and let's add one thing that if x of m into n, okay, if m values is greater than 1, that is scaling is greater than 1, then there will be decimation. Decimation is, that is just like a compression in continuous, okay, now decimations. And this is actually a decimation means a scaling factor activity. What called scaling factor? If m is greater than 1, then it's called decimation. There will be scaling factor. Okay, no problem. So we can solve in this in a simple manner. Okay. There is some techniques to find this problem. You can also find, first of all, okay, this is the logical ways. Now we can also find by second method, method 2. Method 2 means first of all we are doing shifting, and then followed by scale for discrete. Okay, now see, let's see the second solutions. If we take x of n and shift as x of n, what it is, n plus 1, shift. So we'll shift the signal from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We will shift the signal by 2. That means negative. That means through left side. That means shift it through left side. That means from -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, funny. There it is, 0. Okay, so it's a separate signal. Now just put n equals to 3n. Okay, that is decimations. That is nothing but decimation. Decimations. For decimation, we have to just divide this. Okay, for the signal. Okay, now take see here n naught is n naught. Shifting the value by shifting value is by -1. Okay, no problem. Now divide whole by 3. Which value we get as integer? So this value we get, and this value we get. That means one. Let's see. So this is nothing but 3n. That is 3n plus 1 actually. Okay. Because we just divide this number by scaling factor. Okay, if it is greater than 1. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? See, this is the question. The question is question number 4 we have to see and solve. This is the last question actually which we have to solve. Okay, now it is given that for the original value, we know that xn is valid for 0 to and greater than 5. This is for this value what it would be? It would be 0 less than or equals to n by 2 less than equals to 5. If we solve this one, then we will get 2 0 into 2, that is 0 only, less than or equals to 10. That means 0 less than 10. Okay, for x of n by 2. Okay, this is basically 0 interpolation sum. Okay, now what we have to do, in 0 to 10 it is expansion. Okay, 0 to 10. Okay, let's explain this signal. Now, okay, 1 minute. See, now see this. Okay, 0 to 1 and 10. Okay, so 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 10. Okay, now at 0. Okay, and this is our, see, this is our actually given it is 0 to 5, and again you have to distribute this thing. That means we have to take at this maximum value as 6, here at 5, here as 4, as 3, as 2, as 1. Okay, so this is the question like x of this is so in this manner we have to solve. This is called actually interpolation, that is followed by expansion in continuous. This is discrete interpolation, continuous expansion. Okay. Now we will solve this question. Okay, no problem. Actually, why we have done this thing? You know why we have done? We have done this is 0 to 10. Okay, now and the value is n by 2. So for this value it is mentioned because in this interpolation there is expansion of signal. Okay, and there will be gap of 2 units, 1 and then 2 units. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now we will see a different a new concept of interpolation and expansion. Hey guys, I will just going through the new concept of interpolations and dissipation. Okay, this is, I think this is very interesting. So actually for scaling you get two terms, decimation as decimation in discrete as well as comparison in continuous. Similarly, interpolation in discrete followed by expansion is continuous, it is discrete. Estimation discrete, it is continuous. Okay, so whenever you get in problem, just like in previous problem we have got x 3n plus 1. Remember step 1. Step 1, what you have to do, step 1, now see, given first step or step 1, write the value given. Like for this question it is given 6 5 4 3 2 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, okay, the first step. Okay, here now see step 2. Shift the signal. Shift the signal. Here it is 1. Okay, by 1. Like shifting of signal is from there to there. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now see, shift the signal. Now step 3. Now 3. Now see the destination value. Shift from, okay, or shift from previous point to स्केल इंटरवल. मतलब जो अब यहाँ पे हम मान लें, ठीक है ना, शिफ्ट करके यहाँ पे आगे जितना सा वैल्यू है, मान लो अगर कहीं पे है 3, मान लो अगर n+1 है प्लस ए है. ओके, ये हमारा क्या है, शिफ्टेड वैल्यू. ये हमारा क्या है, स्केल वैल्यू. ये शिफ्टेड वैल्यू है. शिफ्ट जो होगा शिफ्टिंग टाइम्स से बोल सकते हैं. शिफ्टेड वैल्यू मतलब नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स कहाँ शिफ्ट हुई. तो यहाँ पे आएगा. यहाँ से अब आपको देखना है कि स्केलिंग पॉइंट कितना है, मतलब शिफ्ट करना है फ्रॉम देयर टू द नंबर ऑफ स्केल पॉइंट. स्केल पॉइंट कितना, 3 है, तो इधर 3 इधर शिफ्ट करना है, 3 इधर करना है. शिफ्ट मतलब 5 यहाँ है, यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है, 5, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 1, 4, 3, यहाँ पे 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 आ रहा है. यहाँ पे 6 है, इसमें 0 की वैल्यू है, यहाँ पे 0 वैल्यू. तो 3 इधर शिफ्ट करिए, तो 1 2 3 दिस, 1 2 3 दिस. ठीक, तो हम जो शिफ्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे करेंगे. फाइनली वी गॉट 0 and 5 and 2. This is our answer. And 0, we got the value of 0, but at 5 is at, we get 5 value and again 2 value, okay? And 0 value, so 0 is not considered. तो अगर इस टाइप का डेस्टिनेशन रहेगा कभी भी, तो सबसे पहले हम शिफ्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट डू शिफ्टिंग फॉलो बाय इलैप्स बोल सकते हैं हम, कि जितना जो हमारा फॉलो बाय स्केल शिफ्टिंग कर सकते हैं हम. कहाँ से, शिफ्टिंग पॉइंट से उतना इधर उतना इधर. अगर हमारा कहीं पे दिया रहेगा 2n+2, okay, if it is this, then what we have to do, we have to shift by 2. शिफ्ट करिए 2 से, तो 1 2 यहाँ पे आइए. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ हेयर. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ हेयर. और यहाँ पे कितना है, 2 है, 2 शिफ्ट करना है इधर, मीन्स 1 2 इधर यहाँ आया ये वाला पॉइंट. अगेन 1 नहीं, अगेन 1 2 ये, मतलब इसके लिए आ जाएगा कितना, 5 4 3 पॉइंट आ जाएगा. ठीक ना, तो इस तरह हमारा आंसर आएगा. अब देखिए इंटरपोलेशंस की हम जब बात करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इस टाइप का टर्म दिया रहेगा, x ऑफ n/k की फॉर्म. ठीक है ना, मतलब x ऑफ n/2 जिस तरह लिखे थे, यहाँ पे ये लिखते हैं हमारा k है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करने का, फर्स्ट स्टेप में k-1 कर लीजिए. ठीक है, k-1 कीजिए. ठीक है, कितना आएगा, k-1 किए तो कितना आया, k-1 दैट इज नथिंग बट 1 आया. दैट मीन्स स्टेप 2 में क्या करिए, पुट 0 एट एवरी 1. एक के बाद हमेशा 0 पुट करते जाइए. जैसे हमारा ये था 6, ये 5 4 3 2 1. ओके, तो एट एवरी 1 के बाद 0 पुट करें. समझेंगे, 0 पुट करेंगे. ओके, मीन्स इसके बीच में 0 रहेगा, इसके बीच में 0 रहेगा, इसके बीच में 0 रहेगा, इसके बीच में कितना होगा देख लीजिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,